So start by making a new solid. Call this fractal noise, and now apply the fractal noise effect to that. Cool. Now here we're going to have to make the fractal type as swirly and leave soft linear. Now invert it and increase the contrast to about 139 and the brightness to about 31, 36. Cool. And now increase the complexity so it's 20. Also alt click on evolution. Now here type time, then asterisk 20, and this will get the pattern to flow like this. So the kaleidoscope will keep changing as the animation goes on. Alright, so now we're going to have to make a new adjustment layer. Rename this flow motion. Now we're going to apply a VC vibrance. I will link this plugin in the description. Alright, let's make it something like blue, dark blue, or even yellow looks pretty good, yeah. Okay, so just adjust this as you want. Just make it look, don't make it look too harsh, but make sure it looks pretty visible and colourful, I'd say. Don't overexpose on the white parts of the image. And alright, so now we're gonna add a flow motion. CC flow motion, and make sure to have flow motion under VC vibrance. And now we're going to sort out the anchor points for the effect. So as we're using a HD resolution effect, we're going to have to make this 960 by 540, also 960 by 540. So increase this to be around, when you're inside like this, warping effect. So you can visually see the kaleidoscope effect showing, and now zoom in a lot more. So now you can kind of see like these waves of the kaleidoscope forming. Cool. And also increase the fall off by not too much actually. Probably make it around 320. There we go. Alright, and now as we get to the end of the timeline, make sure to increase the amount of both effects, both anchor points to max. So this one as well. And now fall off should be about 1600, or is that 1.6? That's good. Alright, and now we're going to be creating like a 3D kind of motion to this by applying a optics compensation. Cool. Now make sure to turn the field of view onto a keyframe, and also reverse the lens distortion. Increase the field of view to a point where it looks like you're inside this wormhole kind of looking thing. Increase the field of view to around about 150. Okay, as you can see right now we can't really see the effect as well, also because I'm half resolution. Yeah, we can't really see it as well. And we can fix this by going into fractal noise, and decreasing the, and then increasing the scale. so that you can see the effect a lot more. Okay, now we're going to just add a few finishing touches. We're going to add curves. Cool. And now we're going to apply a vignette. Cool. And make sure that sort of covers the edges. Not too much, not too harsh. Now we're gonna and now we're gonna apply the brightness, the contrast. Cool. I'll increase the brightness a little, turn up the contrast actually. And yeah, cool, that's pretty much it. We have this nice flowing Kaleidoscope effect. Feel free to mess around with the colour on PC Vibrance. You can create some really nice looking stuff. Maybe if you want, you can add a glow to this and it would look pretty cool. You can also do this on colour Vibrance, where you can keyframe the colour, and as it goes down you can get it to change colour. So if we go to purple, yeah. So as the effect goes on, it will change colour to purple. Thanks for watching guys. I'll do a few more tutorials in the future, so please do subscribe. Thanks.